Hello, everyone, and welcome to our reading class. Today, we're going to talk about the sounds of E-A. Now, E and A are both vowels. So when E and A are together, you would think that we would use the two-vowel walking rule. And sometimes we do, but sometimes we don't. Take a look at this flashcard. There are some other sounds that E-A can make. E-A can make the sound E. Just like the two-vowel walking rule, the first one does the talking, the second one is silent. But EA can also make the short E sound, eh, and the A is silent. Or it could be reversed, that E could be silent and the A could make a long A sound. So what are the three sounds of EA? E, eh, and A. And sometimes you just have to try all three and see which one makes sense. Let's take a look at some words. I'll read them with you, and later you practice reading them on your own. All right, let's take a look at the first four. All of these are going to use the two-vowel walking rule. B, E, T, beat. E, T, heat. S, E, T, seat. Ear. All right, now we're going to switch over, and this time we're going to use the short E sound. Eh. Okay, here we go. 5 through 9. D, ed, dead. Number 6. Dr, ed, dread. Number 7. Br, ed, bread. Number 8. R, ed, red. Number 9. Ed, head. Now we're going to switch over and we're going to use the sound long A. B, air, bear. Number 11. P, air, pear. 12. W, air, wear. 13. T, air, tear. Now we're going to switch over for the last two, and we're going to use the two-vowel walking rule. Lead, lead, and ear, fear. Try to continue reading those words until you can read them with little to no mistakes. We also have a reader for today, and it is called leaves. Remember, there are three sounds that EA can make. EA can say E, or A. You might have to try all three. Eaves, leaves. The leaves, leaves. Fill the on, lawn. It, is, sneaky E. Time, sight word. To, sneaky E. Rake, rake. All right, let's turn the page. The OY says oi, like ahoy, matey. B, oi, boy. Will, will. Reach, reach. Or, for. The rake, rake. He will will play. See, thinks it's an S before E. Place. Place. The leaves. Leaves. In a sack. Sack. Next page. He will teach her how to rake two. Next page. A leaf will this one is one of those that we need to look at for a second. It could be tear, or it could be tear, or it could be tear. I think here the word is tear. A leaf will tear. It is not sturdy. She will carry them with care. Next page. Ow, how many mower leaves will fall until the two vowels walking tree is bare. All right, next page. Last one. The boy and girl work hard. It is time for lunch. They need bread. Their EA has the short E sound. Bread with peanut butter and jam. I'm not going to go back and read those because I don't want you to memorize. I want you to work out those sentences for yourself. Now, remember, keep reading until you can read that little book with almost no mistakes. Keep practicing. Remember, EA can make 3 sounds: E, and A. Try all 3 and see which word makes sense. I'll see you next time. Happy reading. Goodbye.